So, did that atheist guy really tell you to provoke me to go to the psych ward?
Yes. It was Dapper shot. Timing's late. Let me slow down. We look slower. Whoa. Rest in peace, our loved ones. Context, concede, proceed. Totality. My title. I want my title in its totality, and I won't sell out for titty, or a titty bar, or a bar to the back of the head, or a knife in the back to the heart. I am here to secure for the children of Israel the bread, and if everyone else acts accordingly, they will get their portion, according to their needs. And no, I'm not talking about money. The wages of the workers will be more than fair. If I'm ever involved in anything like that, which I probably won't be alive, plan on